In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix portfolio in just 5 minutes. Creating a portfolio on Wix is a straightforward process, and you don't need to be a tech whiz to put together a site that truly showcases your skills and past work. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get you started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the setup process. Once you've reached the Wix site, you'll notice a button that says, Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar, typically located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click that button to begin creating your account. Now, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to sign up. You have the option to register using your email address or streamline the process by connecting through your Facebook or Google account. Each choice is perfectly valid, but opting for Facebook or Google could save you a couple of steps and some time as information is synced across platforms. Choose the one that suits you best, and with a couple of clicks, you're set up with an account on Wix. Once your account is created, proceed to the prominent button or link labeled Create New Site. By clicking here, you'll be taken to a new page where you can bring your creative ideas to life. Wix offers a wide array of purposes for which you might build a site, but since we're focusing on portfolios, the next logical move is to pick a template. This is where the creative fun starts to truly spark. Wix provides a curated selection of templates specifically designed for portfolios. These templates are crafted to offer maximum visual appeal and functionality, ensuring that your projects are presented in the best light possible. So, explore the list of templates, paying attention to the layout and design elements that resonate with your personal or professional style. Once you've settled on a template that speaks to your vision, it's time to make it your own. Wix users love the platform for its intuitive design interface, allowing you to customize everything from fonts to color schemes to the layout itself. Spend a little time adjusting each component to match your preferences. As you modify the design, remember to preview your site to see how it shapes up visually. Once you're happy with the overall look and feel, you're left with one final step: publishing. Click on the Publish button, and just like that, your portfolio is live and ready to share with the world. That's all there is